Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about how we can add annotation on map. So just you can view over map, and then anywhere you like, you just tap your hand, your finger for a line gesture. So something like, for example, 10 second, and then one new annotation will be placed there, and later you can select it, and unselect, you can do action or even on add. So yeah, that's it. So also you need to know there's a link to source code always. And yeah, so if you want to do this and look at it first before doing that, we can do it like this. So yeah, here's the the just default one. Just we made it to we have some start point. You can do it even with the location. In other video you can find how we can find location and tab it, make annotation for that. So when we select this one here in console, we're gonna type latitude and longitude for that. But what if you want to add new one? So I say, yeah, I want to add new one here. So just line gesture, and you will see that there is a latitude and longitude. You can select this one, and each one you select, latitude and longitude gonna sit there, or this one. Everywhere you can add new one. Yes, so yeah, let's start. As usual, file, new project, single view app, iOS, Swift, MapKit, Add Annotation 01, for example. And yes, we're gonna make it. Okay, as soon as we make it, we can go to main storyboard. Yes, we need one map here, and we stick it to all corners with 0 space. And yeah, now let's go, and actually, yeah, of course we need to connect it. So I open assistant editor, control drag from map, and here I just say map view. I close assistant editor, I go to view controller, and then I start my coding. So I just use one key, for example lat from type of string, and I say okay equal this, and var key blank type of a string equal this. So for finding this, you can go to Google and just search for coordinates for any location. You can add that location. So for example, here are lots of area. Let's go by one of the places, for example Canada Place. So here we go. This is latitude. Command C, I put it here. And this is longitude. Command C, but it's west, so minus. Gonna be minus this one. Okay, so I made this one, and first of all, the first thing I do in view did load, I need to make that one delegate self. But first of all, I need to add MapKit first to get rid of this error, and also we need to extend our main view class to MKMapViewDelegate. So as I said here, the first thing I do, I just said MapView delegate equal self. So I say this view will be delegate for MapView. Okay, so now we can start our coding. First of all, I need to add a function here. So I add one function here. I name that function. So function, for example, handle tap. Okay, for parameter, just wildcard as output, so I don't need to say, mention that one. For input, I name it GestureRecognizer. Recognizer, and type UILongPressGestureRecognizer. Okay, and so inside the function, actually for output, nothing gonna be, no output. There won't be any output. So, and here I just say, okay, let location equal GestureRecognizer dot location in MapView. Okay, so any location we're gonna do that. So I just said let coordinate equal MapView dot convert location to coordinate. Yeah, convert. So let's see if what we have, location. Yes, it's important we choose the correct function. Yeah, point to coordinate, and we use location here. So this point on the map view, we're gonna convert it to coordinate, and coordinate from what? From my map view. Okay, after we convert, then we're gonna do add annotation. So here I just say let annotation equal MKPointAnnotation, and then I say okay, for this annotation coordinate gonna be equal coordinate. I just found it on top. Then annotation dot title. So I'm gonna make title for that. So I just say latitude, and so plus something on plus, and this time longitude. Yes, so for latitude I can use a string format. So here I just say string, and inside the string I use format. Yes, so this is the format I'm gonna use. So format gonna be one float with 2 decimal number, and for argument I use annotation coordinate latitude. Here, so and for the longitude we use the same, so I just say string. So yeah, string format gonna be same, so %0.02 float, and for argument annotation dot coordinate dot longitude. So this is gonna be title, and yeah, that's it. So here I just say over my map, over map, just add annotation. Yeah, this annotation that I just tapped on it for line gesture. Okay, so also for selecting, so what if we select annotation? So here I make a variable. Actually I'm gonna make another variable here, and a property by the name of selected annotation, and I name this from type of MKPointAnnotation optional. Okay, so here I just say for didSelect, so MapView for didSelect what to do. So I just said okay, let for example let value str equal, actually from type of a string equal one a string and with format same, so percentage .02 f, and arguments from type of float, for example, and so this float gonna get view dot annotation question mark dot coordinate and latitude, of course. Yeah, latitude. So I use 2 parentheses because I'm gonna make this one to be rapid. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna make a copy of this, and this one for longitude. So longitude, and this one's only gonna be longitude for the second one. And the action I'm doing here, I just print it. So I just say print. So print what? Latitude backslash, and here I can say latval string and longitude, and here line brackets. Okay, so in case of selection, we're gonna just print it in console. Yeah, also you know, to console. Okay, so I believe we are good now. We just can go to our view did load, and in view did load, what I'm gonna do, just say, okay, let's line pressure. I'm gonna make my line press recognizer. I just say equal UI line press recognizer, and so this one, yes, target will be self, and so what gonna do, I just say okay for me, just say selector, and here I just use self dot hand tap, actually handle tap, yeah. Here here we get an error vibe, because this one, I need to convert this to Objective-C complement object, actually, to be available here. But there is other option. Instead of self, I can call view controller, and that one, then I don't need this. It's up to you. Okay, so now I'm gonna say for this line, recognizer, just say minimum press duration. This is up to you. We can do it whatever, but don't make it very low, because then any tab gonna be one. New annotation. So MapView dot add gesture recognizer. Gesture recognizer, and which one? My long recognizer. Then what about the map type? So I'm gonna make map type to be MK map type standard. I make it standard map, and then here I'm gonna add the location. I just declare it in the as a property. So I just say okay, let location equal my CLLocation coordinate to the latitude and longitude. So here I can use CL degrees, and I have those variable in string format. Then you know what? Let me make it easier. Here instead of a string, I just use a float, and yeah, remove these strings. Yeah. Then otherwise I have to convert it here now again. Yeah. So here I just say okay, this one, and inside this I can use my key latitude, and this one I just say key longitude. Yeah, this is gonna be location, and then I say let span equal MK coordinate span. Again, latitude and longitude we need for that, but I just say 0 0.05, 0 0.05. You may say, what is this number? If you want to know, just push option and click on this one, then you can find out about these parameters. So latitude, there's no description for that. Yeah, it's a scale, but I believe it will be 1000 per 1000. Okay, so let region equal MK coordinate. Instead of span, I just say region, and this one of course gonna be center and span. Yeah, I use this signature. So center gonna be location, and a span gonna be a span. I just declare it. And yeah, so I just say MapView dot set region gonna be, yeah, same region that I create, and yeah, true, animation true. And yes, so let's see anything else we need to do. Yes, we just need to now add our annotation. So I just say let annotation equal MK point annotation, and just say annotation. Now I'm gonna give it coordinate. Coordinate will be my location, which is made it on top, and annotation dot title. So what was that we made that yeah, Canada place. So title, we make it to be Canada place, and we can give it also subtitle, up to you. I just gave me save and core. Yes, so MapView dot add annotation. Yeah, these annotations. So I believe we're done. Now I'm gonna run this again. It goes over iPhone XR. Let's make it very slow, so I change it to iPhone 8 Plus and run it this time. And so this one, let me close this and wait for iPhone. What's happening? It's gonna reset it. I don't know. So yes, let's just review until this coming up, and yes, we just made a function for handle tab, just for handling tab, also one for selecting, if we select one annotation, what to do. So yeah, let me select this one. You will see I get latitude and longitude. This is Canada place, and anywhere else do line gesture, I will get that new place as well, latitude and longitude for that. And later you can select either one and get latitude and longitude. Of course, when you do print, you can do whatever else you like. Yeah, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please make sure to give it thumbs up. Also, don't forget to be subscribed, and any question, please ask in comment. I will be more than happy to help, and I wish the best for you, and have a good one. Bye bye.